What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, hope you had a good weekend and welcome to this new video. On Pepe, wanted to give you a little bit of an update on yesterday. What we talked about yesterday to refresh your mind is that Pepe was quite bullish together with Bitcoin. Alright, I already showed you this yesterday, but if you looked at Bitcoin and Pepe, the price, look at this, I mean the price is practically the same. Alright, so they're very correlated. At this point of time, Bitcoin is a bit stronger, which I would say is normal. Alright, we're getting new capital, new volume into the markets this Monday morning. Usually Bitcoin is the first to get some momentum. Alright, I would say a lot of meme coins like Bonk, but also Popcat and also Turbo are doing quite well. So that's good to see. But they're a bit weaker, all right? But what we talked about yesterday is that, all right, well, we had some momentum, but I thought at least Pepe was stuck in this area. So what I told you is that wait for a breakout out of this area, which we got yesterday yesterday afternoon. Broke down below that. What I said then is that, all right, we'll drop back down to the bottom. We did, and from there we bounced, all right? So yeah, at this point of time, what we're seeing, like I said, is new volume enter the markets. The volume in the markets right now is actually pretty good. Like if you look at the last 7 days, last week it was 52 billion. Right now it's 71 billion already. So there is a lot of volume. Usually, like if you get momentum like this to get back to the markets with a lot of volume, like every time the market has turned a little bit more bullish, it was always with a lot of volume. So that we are seeing bullish moves in the market right now with a lot of volume, I would say is very positive. If we look at Pepe specifically, what we want to see still is a breakout back above some sort of a level right here at, well, it seems to me that we are going to break above 9,000, so we're going to get a bullish breakout. But for Pepe to turn bullish here, which we haven't been since the 27th of May, we really need to break above 10,000. And to break above that is still pretty far away. And to break above that, we would need to have much more sustained bullish momentum. And it's too early to call that. All right, I think Pepe certainly has a chance. And as you can see here as well, Pepe is also one of the meme coins were performing quite well in the last week when Bitcoin did well. So I think meme coins do have some sort of an edge. Pepe is also gaining some momentum right here. I would assume that there is quite a lot of liquidity to the upside for Pepe. So that's another factor that kind of works as a magnet to get up to 10,000 again. But to break above that, it's much too early to say that. All right, I think it's most likely due to that liquidity, due to the momentum, due to Bitcoin being quite bullish here. I think it's most likely that Pepe will move up to 96 and 9800 right here. But like I said earlier, to break above that, I would need to see Bitcoin rally up towards 60,000. All right, so if Bitcoin breaks above 58,500 here and can hold the breakout, all right, well, then I expect Pepe to turn bullish, at least on the short term, rally up to 11,000, 11,500, and it's all great. But no, for now, like we just closed the candle, so we did get the bullish breakout. That's great. Bullish breakout with momentum, while Bitcoin is also relatively strong. That's all great. We might retest that level at 9,000 and 8,800. So something like this. Let me do that. Something like this is what I think is most likely. And then if Bitcoin actually breaks out, then we will also break above this level. If not, then we'll just respect this and consolidate down here and potentially even drop back down to support. If that makes sense. All right, the drawings are not perfect, but hopefully you understand. Those are at least my thoughts on the market right now. I'll keep you updated, of course, but for now, thank you for watching. Have a great week and bye.